Dear students, today we are going to solve exercise 90 and practice now 12. So let's start our question. A train travels at a speed of 48.6 kilometers per hour. Express is this speed in part first meter per second and in part second centimeter per minutes. So let's start our solution. Now speed of the train is given in the question and that is 48.6 kilometer per hour. Now in the first part we have to change it into meter per second. So we will change kilometers into meters and we will change hours into seconds. How we will do that? First of all, we will write it like in a fraction 48.6 kilometer and per hour means divide by 1 hour. Now we will do the conversion of units. We know that 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meters and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So now we have to convert the kilometers into meters. What we will do? Yes, we know that when we convert the bigger unit to smaller unit, we will multiply. So here we will multiply 48.6 into 1000. And here when we convert the hours into seconds, we will multiply. So we will multiply 1 into 3600. So that will be our next step. 48.6 multiply 1000 and now it will be in meters, and 1 multiply 3600 and now it will be in seconds. In the next step we will multiply. In the numerator we have 48,600 meters and in the denominator we have 1 into 3600 which is 3600 seconds. Now we will simplify and we will get this answer, that is 13.5 meter per second. That is the answer of first part of question 1 of practice now 12. Now we will do the second part. In the second part, as you can see, we have to write our answer in centimeters per minute, whereas the given values are in kilometers per hour. So again we have to do a couple of conversion over here. So speed of the train as it is given, it is 48.6 kilometer per hour. We can write it in fraction 48.6 divided by 1 kilometer per hour. Now we have to change the kilometers into centimeters. We know that 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakh centimeter and we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now as we have to convert the bigger unit to smaller unit, we will multiply, and here 1 hour we will convert it into minutes. So again when you convert the bigger unit to smaller unit, you will multiply. So this is what we are going to do in the next step. We do the calculation and the answer is 48,086,000 centimeter and here we have 60 minutes. We will further simplify it and our answer will be 81,000 centimeter per minute. So that is the answer of part 2. Now we will move on to the question number 2 of practice note 12. The cheetah is the fastest land animal capable of attaining a speed of 110 km per hour. In August 2009, the world record for the men's 100-meter sprint was set at 9.58 seconds. So 100 meters in 9.58 seconds. How many times is the cheetah as fast as the fastest human sprinter? So this is what we have to found. So let's start our solution. The speed of the fastest human sprinter, what it will be? Yes, you will divide 100 by 9.58 seconds. When we divide, we know that the given value is in meters and this one is in kilometer per hour. So we need to change the meters into kilometers and then we have to change the seconds into hours. So we know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. We also know that in 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. So here we are converting the smaller unit and we are converting it to the bigger one. So what we will do? Yes, we will divide. When you go from smaller to bigger, you divide. When you go from bigger to smaller, you multiply. Likewise here, you will go from smaller to bigger, you will divide. So we are going to divide both the numerator and the denominator. So 100 divided by 1000 and that will be in kilometers. 9.58 divided by 3600 and the answer will be in hours. For our ease of calculation, we divide 100 by 1000 and we have 0.1. We divide 9.58 by 3600 and we have this denominator which is 0.0026. We divide and we will get the answer as 38.46 km per hour. Now we know that the number of times a cheetah is as fast as the fastest human sprinter. This is what we have to found. So 110 is the speed which is given, that is the speed of the cheetah, and we will divide it by 38.46 km per hour, which is the speed of the fastest human sprinter. So 110 divided by 38.46, we get 2.86, or we can round it off to 2.9. So that is the answer of question number 2 of practice now 12. Now the similar questions are question number 3, 4 and 5 of exercise 9D. We are going to solve question number 3 of practice now 12. Express each of the following in kilometer per hour. This is our A part, which is 8.4 kilometer per minute, and we have to change it into kilometers per hour. So we can write it in fraction like 8.4 kilometer divided by 1 minute. Now kilometer, the numerator over here, it will remain as such because we have to give the answer in kilometer per hour. So kilometer will remain as such as it is. We are not going to change it. But this is denominator. Look at the denominator. It is in minutes. We have to convert it into hours. We know the unit that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So here we are converting the minutes into hours. What we will do? Yes, we will divide, because the minute is the smaller unit and hour is the bigger unit. So 8.4 kilometer divided by 1 divided by 60, and that will be now in hours. We can write it like 8.5 divided by, I have used this symbol of division over here, and then 1 by 60 over here. Now we will multiply in the next step, and this fraction will be reciprocated. It means that numerator will be denominator and the denominator will be changed to numerator. That concept is also called the multiplicative inverse. So 1 by 60, the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 60 is 60 by 1. So in the next part 8.4 in the next step. 8.4 multiply 60 by 1. Now we will multiply 8.4 into 60 and you will get the answer as 504 kilometer per hour. This is what we have to find in question number 3 part A. Now we will do the part B. In the part B, 315 meter per second it's the value, and we have to write it in kilometer per hour. So it means that we have to change the meter into kilometers and we have to convert the seconds into hours. Do you have any idea how we will do that? First of all, you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Then you also know that 1 hour, in 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. So here we are going to convert the meters into kilometers. So what we will do, either we should divide or we should multiply. Yes, we will divide because this is the smaller unit and this is the bigger unit. So here we have the value in the smaller unit. You go from smaller to bigger, you will divide. Fine. And here also second is smaller and hour is the bigger unit. You go from smaller to bigger and you will divide. So we divide 315 by 1000. Now the answer will be, after division, the answer will be in kilometer. You divide 1 by 3600 and now the answer will be in hours. So we do the calculation. First of all, we will write it like this one: 315 divided by 1000 over here and divide by this whole line. I have written down this in symbol of division, and then I have 1 over 3600 over here. Now I will multiply in the next step. So 315 divided by 1000 multiply, and when I will multiply, you know that I will reciprocate. The multiplicative inverse of 1 over 3600 will be 3600 over 1. Now we will multiply, and after calculation the answer will be 1134 or 1134 kilometer per hour. This is our second part. Now in the next video we will do the part C and D of question number 3, and then we will also try to solve the question number 4 and 5. Thank you very much.